Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing Forex currency pairs. All right, in Forex trading, currencies are always traded in pairs. Okay, for example, we have AUD CAD, we have AUD JPY, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, and so on and so forth. Right, they're always traded in pairs. Okay, but not all pairs are the same. Right, they are grouped into three main categories. Okay, we have the major, the minor, and the exotic pairs. Right, we have the major, the minor, and the exotic pairs. Okay, so major pairs are the most traded in the world. They always include the US dollar, always, and another strong currency. Examples of major pairs are the Euro USD, for example, right? So Euro USD is an example of a major pair, or USD JPY, right? Because they include the US dollar and another strong currency. So these pairs have high liquidity, tight spreads, and smoother price movement, making them popular among traders. Minor pairs, also called cross pairs, do not include the US dollar. Okay, so talking about, let's just okay, let's continue. So minor pairs, they don't include the US dollar. An example could be the Euro GBP or AUD JPY, right? AUD JPY. You're talking about two strong currencies. Both currencies are strong, but the US dollar is not included. Okay, so they still have good liquidity, but slightly wider spreads than the major pairs. Then talking about the exotic pairs involve one major currency and one from a smaller or emerging economy. For example, we have the USD TRY or maybe the Euro ZAR, right? So these pairs, let's see if we have some of those exotic pairs here. Okay, yeah, we have quite a number of exotic pairs here, right? You can see they include one strong currency. You can see the USD MXN, USD CZK, USD CNH, and all of that, right? So basically, just know that if you are confused, just understand that major pairs include, in case if you are confused, understand that major pairs include the US dollar and another strong currency. Right? Major pairs, they always include the US dollar and another strong currency. Then the minor pairs, they are also called the cross pairs, and they include two strong currencies excluding the US dollar, right? This is for the minor pairs. Then the exotic pairs involve one major currency and one from a smaller or emerging economy. So these definitions should help you, you know, should help you figure out which currency pairs are major, minor, or exotic. All right, these definitions should help you with that. Okay. All right. So why does this matter? Because the type of pair you trade affects your costs, your risk, and your trading style. Beginners are usually advised to focus on major pairs because they are more stable and easier to analyze. So the key takeaway is major pairs are most stable and liquid. Minor pairs have moderate activity. Exotic pairs have higher risk and volatility. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.